What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Crazy Native here. It's been a while. I mean, I'm sorry for not uploading that much. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to say yes for 34 subs. I know I haven't been posting a lot. Alright, but I have been uploading those little shorts. Well, not shorts, but like those little videos I posted a few. You guys can see. But yeah, I posted a little bit of those. I'm gonna be posting maybe a little bit more of those, but I'm gonna try to post more on this channel. I'm gonna be trying to post more commentary of video games, playing, you know, how I usually do. But, you know, it's just been weird lately because I haven't really been able to play with friends or anything. Rylan's Xbox is broken or some shit like that, but yeah. But today I'll be playing Insurgence Sandstorm, but before we start this video, please like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, get notified every time I make a new video. Which will probably be another fail. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, get notified every time I make a new video. And don't forget to follow my Twitch and add me on Xbox if you guys want to play sometime. Link in the description is my Twitch and my Xbox username, so. And if I reach 10 followers on Twitch, I'll start streaming. So yeah, today we're playing Insurgence Sandstorm. I bought it last night. I played it a little bit. I only played the tutorial. Only played basic training tutorial. I don't look at the range or anything of these, but today I'll just be playing just a local play against bots. But I'm gonna play one local play match, and the rest will be online. It's because I haven't tried online yet. I played a little bit. I know the remedy of the game. I know how it goes. I don't feel like playing at night. I've only tried, I believe it's this map. I've only tried that map in Outskirts. No, Hillside is the only one I've played. But I'm going to try another one because I haven't tried any other ones. Alright, let's go tell. So yeah, this game's like kind of a battle game. I know it came out maybe about a few months ago. Came out last year. It's pretty good, and I hope you guys had a good New Year's Eve or a good Christmas, whatever. I haven't posted since then. I want to post a new Red Dead Redemption video for you guys to show what's going on, you know. But yeah, this is a fun game. I tried it a few times. I like it. So yeah, let's get into this. So when we get in this, it's basically kind of like security checkpoint. I guess we gotta go to these objectives. I played it once or twice. I played it once or twice. I believe we gotta like go into this place and like kind of get stuff. But I already created a class, which is nice. I like it. It's pretty cool. I like it. You can see how many magazines you have left. It's more realistic than any other like Call of Duty game. I like it. It's pretty fun. I'm sorry if the game volume is like too low or too high and you can barely hear me, but I'm still trying to adjust things, you know. I thought it'd be like Battlefield, like bigger, like a lot more people, but I guess not. Oh Jesus. Alright, so we gotta take A now. Dang, these guys got a bunch of good guns. Well, not good guns, but they got like, I don't know how to explain it, but they got PKMs and everything.
We got Alpha! We got it! It's clear! I'm up! Hey! We got a counterattack!
Oh, I didn't see them now. So I'm gonna play one round of this, and then I'll show you guys multiplayer, because I haven't tried the multiplayer yet. I wanted to play it like new, not even play it yet, and just go into it right away, for a video. But I was so eager to play this, so I just played. Oh jeez. Or are my friends? Are they all dead? I don't want to be the only one. Oh no. I don't want to die, I don't want to die. I could have done the speed reload or the tactical reload, whatever the hell you want to call it. But I am dead. Crap. So where are my teammates then? Oh, we can't lose that. Oh wow. Quick round. I guess I'll play one more. One more.
Alright, here we go! Move, move, move!
Oh man.
Yeah, looking good! Reloading! Dig in! We gotta hold it!
Incoming shells! Watch out!
I like this game, it's pretty fun. Tactical. Ah, yep. Oh jeez. I was doing good earlier, my cannons. No, no, we aren't losing it. Switching firing mode. Man, I can't see.
Yep, it's up.
Oh crap.
They're taking out.
Oh crap. Ah.
Anyone hit?
I respawned real fast, what the heck?
I'm fine! Hey, we should move!
Okay, we captured that objective, we just need to keep moving. My guy can't even jump over this, come on, there we go.
They're here!
Taking Bravo!
Jesus.
Okay, we got Bravo!
Oh, there's a bunch of them. Tactical reload. Let's go. Moving, moving, moving. Please don't die.
Taking Charlie!
This is a flash!
Target down.
Yo, new mag!
Oh, e-grenade! Finally the grenade goes off.
Open fire! Check your gear. Hey!
Oh, you ain't going. Oh, so as you saw there, I died. Oh man, I haven't clicked on this yet. Fight against AI enemies. No. It's against other players. Play push. I don't know what that is. Yep. Push. Let's go. I'll just do nothing good servers. And I live there, you know. Oh, after an eternity, I finally got in. I don't know if you guys can hear that over the radio.
What?
But,
Internet?
yeah. Let's go.
Right here?
Let's do this. First online match, let's go. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I saw those vehicles now. Jesus, man, this is just like Battlefield. But way better. Oh! I need a kill. I need to get at least 5 kills to officially call this gameplay. Man. Oh. Wait. It's one of my playing as this person. People are taking extra
Our
precautions.
reinforcements are low! We're running out of men!
So I guess now how this works then. Was it fully auto? No. It is a burst. Alright, let's go. Okay. So just don't die, that's the main goal right now. Just don't die, get kills.
Use the smoke! Use the smoke! I'm going to reload! Alright! We're the last ones left! You have the reinforcements!
Now what a crap. What are they shooting? Oh, what a camper, bro. You have to be that bad to camp. Come on.
Bro, I just fucking ran out of ammo. That's some bullshit.
Oh, man. I don't know if you guys heard that. Oh man. I guess I'll play this a lot more then. I'm gonna play a long lane a lot more. I forgot there's a radio. Alright, one more round. One round until I die. Until I die. And after that,
Alright, this is it.
this is kind of getting too long to edit, bro. So I've been posting long videos lately. So let's do this. Quick video. Not a quick video, but quick round. If I die twice, the video ends. Video goes. Maybe I shouldn't just be being a dumbass and just run straight out there. One good thing is I can actually check my ammo. So I have two magazines, I think.
Need help holding this left side, please.
Yo, can anyone hear me? Just testing, see if they can hear me through my thing. I know I'm camping, but
Someone wants to watch the bus. I'll watch this right corridor.
what am I doing? Heck yeah, bro. I have no life. All I do is camp. Ah! Second kill. Switching mags. What sucks is at the end, I don't know which magazine I'm gonna be using. They'll be reloading and might even put that old magazine with the less bullets in. Aww. But put the wrong, or put the magazine in with the less ammo and I don't even have that many bullets to shoot. Jesus.
If you go over there, you're probably going to die.
Warning. Oh, I'm probably gonna die. I'm not going to.
Stay with the team.
No. I'm gonna be a... I can't shoot over here. That sucks. Oh! Getting shot at, getting shot at, getting shot at. Oh! 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 My guy just got his brains blown out. That was so violent. I didn't even expect that, bro. Get his brains blown out, bro. Man. I don't want that. I'll take this. Oh, never mind. I don't want that to happen to me, bro. I got his head. Oh, come here.
Yo, new mag!
Oh, got him. Oh! I hit him once, I hit him once, I hit him once. I don't know if you can hear me. Yo, I hit him once, I hit him once, I hit him once. Ah! Got another one. That's 3, I think. Don't tell me my friend just died. No! No! I'm gonna run over there and slide. Ah! Come on, I got 3 kills in 1 life. Well, guess that'll do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, you know, turn on post notifications, get notified every time I make a new video. And thank you guys for 34 subs. Hope we can get this video up to 5. Anyway, yeah, let's go for 5 likes on this video. Our goal. Make this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on Insurgency Sandstorm. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We get this up to 5 likes. I'll make another one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yo, life of Fugazi, I've been crazy way before my ass got sent to juvie. Never been a phony. If you want a bitch about me, I can send your ass to the mortuary. Yo, life of Fugazi, I've been crazy way before my ass got sent to juvie. Never been a phony. If you want a bitch about me, I can send your ass to the mortuary.